Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do just a nice orange summery glam tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm starting off with this Magic Lumi from L'Oreal. You basically look like a Tin Man when you apply it, but it gives you a really nice dewy base to start with. And then this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. This is my first time using this foundation, and as I used it, I could definitely tell that it was not my skin tone. I'm a little bit more red and pale than this, but that's alright. So I just blended it onto my neck and my ears with my fingertips, and then I'm taking a beauty sponge for the rest of the blending on the face, just so it gets a nice even blend. And it turned out much oranger than I thought, and it definitely oxidized after I put it on, but oh well. I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape concealer and of course a beauty sponge, and just applying it under my eyes, on my eyelids as a primer, and then on the high points of my face, down the nose, the cupid's bow and the chin, and on the forehead, as well as under my contour. Then I blend all that in. And then I'm going to go in with this Revolution Euphoric Gold liquid highlighter. And I don't actually use the dropper that it comes with, because if I do, it just creates big globs of makeup on my face. And if I use too much of this, it actually starts removing some of the foundation, so just be wary of that if you're going to use it too. Taking my ABH contour kit in light medium, and I'm going to use that banana powder to set my under eyes. And pretty much all the concealer that I laid down, I'm going to set with that same banana powder and my beauty sponge. Then I'm going in with that middle shade on the ABH palette and a Wet n Wild contour brush, and blending it out, really soft contour there. Going in with this Shaaanxo Bhcosmetics palette. I'm going to take that middle shade right there as a cheek blush. And then I am turning the palette around to the eyeshadow side. And I'm going to go in with this yellow shade just as a transition shade all over the crease area. Taking that very light shade and just going over the brow bone with it, and more yellow to deepen up the crease. I really like that yellow for summery looks. And then I'm taking this orange shade, like burnt orange, on the outer corners and blending it into the yellow in the crease. And then with no extra product, I'm just taking it, well, a little extra product, I'm taking it into the inner corners, and then I'm using my fingertip with that brown shade to apply it all over the lower lid. And I'm just making sure I really get it into the corner of my eye, and then I'm taking the crease brush and blending it in and adding a little bit more orange And then on the under eyes, I'm adding orange as well. I just patted down my lids to make sure there was no creasing before I did that. And I'm just taking a nice fluffy brush with that. I'm using this brush from the NYX brow pencil, and then slightly filling in my brows with the pencil, really just shaping them. And I'm using small brush strokes to sort of imitate the brow hairs. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. And this is just more my eyebrow color that I like. So I'm using that to fill in the brows completely and setting the brows with this Japanesque clear brow gel. Then Wet n Wild Mega Liner, just drawing a pretty thin line of liner, and winging it out towards the end of my brow. And I did forget my mascara when I was doing this look, so this is just a little trick you can do if you ever forget your mascara. I'm just using my Wet n Wild eyeliner to coat my lashes, just because there's a lot of powder on the lashes and the look will look really incomplete if I don't put some darkness on those lashes. And this is what it looks like. It's not the fullest, thickest coat, but it'll do. And then this Wet n Wild gel lip liner, I'm just outlining my lips with that. And a quite thick outline.
Whoa. Just like...
And this is the finished look. Okay, so my camera died and I pretty much just finished the rest of my makeup and then had to go to work. So this is like 3.5 or 4 hours after I put it on. And yeah, I just wanted to show you what I did to finish the look. That shade on the outer corners of my lips, and then this shade on the center of my lips. And I just topped it all off with some Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. This is the finished look. I love how it came out. I think it's like really, it's a nice like everyday look. I love these warm tones, like this burnt orangey shade is definitely my favorite. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite eyeshadow color is or eyeshadow palette. Looking for some new palettes, so yeah, it could be drugstore, high-end, whatever. And subscribe if you want to see more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.